All right, here we go. Day 4. It's going to be a tough one. We've got about 80 odd Ks of technical, tight, sandy, all the fun stuff. Here we go. How you feeling for today, mate?
Excited.
Excited?
Kick off with 40 kilometres of goat track this morning. Test us.
Got your new helmet. Ready to go?
Have a go at this.
Ready to go. Look at that.
That's from a barrel drum. And another gaffer tape success story there. Bit of cable tie.
What's this for? Like just a bit of ventilation?
This is air vent.
Air vent?
So that it doesn't flap off and hit you in the face when you're eating.
Smart, smart. I have to admit, seeing Glenn's bike on the trailer sidelined after he broke a rib yesterday made me think anything could happen in the next few days. There were plenty of challenges ahead.
We're going through Wolverton station here, guys. This is one of the private properties we can slip through. It's actually the same property we just stayed on last night. This is a car track, but it's more or less a single these days. There's a lot of holes and washouts and sticks and rocks and you name it. Just stick to the single track up the middle. I'll drop a few relays along the way. I can't do it at every one.
This single track on private property was hectic. Lots of rough channels that made you stop and think. I hit this next dip going way too fast. It really crept up on me and damn near ended my trip. I had caught my foot in between the ground and the foot peg, twisting it back far more than it was designed to do.
Oh, that hurt. Not great. Might rest for a second.
Yeah, I just sort of bumped my foot a bit. Might just let it rest for a second.
That bit was hurt?
Yeah.
Pretty hectic, just popped my nose.
At this point, I didn't know if it was a sprain or a break, but being in the middle of absolute nowhere and hours away from camp, the only choice was to man up and push on. Damn, the pain was killing me.
I think my granddad made it. Yeah, they all did. Yeah. Oh,
1800s. All this gear, back then they've brought up from Cooktown. You can imagine it would have been a track not as good as this.
Yeah.
They brought it all the way up here because someone fucking found gold.
Yeah.
And apparently they pulled quite a bit out of here. But yeah, you look around, there's holes, there's machinery and spoilers and that everywhere.
About 20 of these over there.
Yeah.
These are self-moving machine?
No, this was a big steam engine.
Yeah. You misbehaved, it was your job.
Yeah.
Keep shoveling all day.
How do you just come across gold out here?
Yeah, exactly. That's, I'd love to know.
By now it was getting hard to change gears as my foot was starting to swell and I had no painkillers.
Lunch.
Ham, pickle and cheese.
Ham, pickle and cheese, yeah.
Just need a toaster.
I'm having the same thing.
So the thing about dirt bike boots, they're tall and basically waterproof. So when you ride through a water crossing, they fill with water like a bucket. For the rest of the day, you're riding with soggy, wrinkly feet, which certainly didn't help carrying a foot injury.
Some of them just make it look so easy, eh?
Yeah, fully.
So good.
Decent stack, Betsy. How's that wrist holding up?
You hit anything? Or?
Left foot's a bit average.
Left foot's average. Go through. Oh, fuck.
What's up?
I think the battery's just gone dead.
That's a new one.
Yeah.
Shane clutch started my bike and sent me on my way. But with an injury, I was in no shape to deal with technical issues too.
Sprained ankle and a flat battery. Oh well, that's day 4.
Old number 4 had stalled here again and wouldn't start. It wasn't charging the battery. Thank God for me, old mate Betsy kindly offered to take on my bike and its issues.
Let it roll for a few meters. Yeah.
I think I'll go in the back. I'm gonna be slow, hey.
The worst part about what you're about to see is that it was completely avoidable. See this track to the right? It's an easy bypass around this muddy swamp ahead. But sheep will follow sheep.
No, I didn't see anything. I wish I knew.
Remember that soggy boot with a sprained ankle? This ain't helping.
Stay up on this side if you can. Okay, up here, up here. Right, let's go.
I really wish I could have helped right now.
How much did you went inside the wash?
Not much.
The whole bike?
No.
I dropped mine, but I picked it up straight away.
Yeah, I got it up
But if
pretty quickly.
Drown?
No.
You need to be sure if I started, you're fucked.
Yeah.
You look like you're in the water, man.
Yeah,
When I saw you, you look like
I'd
you're in
opened
the
it
water.
up.
You need to, that's why I'm telling you. Where whoever is going to the right or to the left of the river crossings, you need to follow the exact same line. If there's no one there,
Stop.
you need to check the ground and you see the tracks of the other bikes.
Yeah.
Because that can
Don't
happen.
get caught out just looking at what other
So
people are
fucking
doing.
easy.
You know what I mean? That's all it is.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on the tracks.
Do you want me to wait here or go ride with Marnie a little bit?
Yeah,
we
yeah,
found her
sure.
on the ground last time.
Sure.
I'll go with her. Are you guys going to be alright? Or...
While Juan stayed with Betsy to try and bring my old bike back to life, now drowned with the flat battery, I pushed on as luckily my bike was okay. The track was really hard though, and by now I was struggling to stand up on the pegs at all, making dips and bumps in the track all the more uncomfortable. By now, my anxiety levels were through the roof at the side of water crossings. I knew this was going to be a tough day, but I was being pushed to my limits. And the last thing I wanted right now was more soft sand. I was getting weaker and this bike was getting so much heavier. Felt like this damn sand went on forever. We came up to this water crossing, followed by a ridiculously steep, awkward hill climb. Even if I wasn't injured, this would have been a challenge. I wasn't even going to attempt it, letting Juan take my bike up instead. After reaching the top, the tracks out were much easier, though by now I was almost sure that this journey was over for me. With more pain than I could bear, I couldn't imagine taking on another 2 days of riding like this.
Looks like our support truck has broken down about 30 k's down the road, so we're going to go and catch up and probably camp near it. Quite honestly, I'm fucking so happy about that because my foot is killing me.
We're going to snake it home to Westy in the truck, wherever it is, broken down.
Yep. Over yonder is where the old telegraph track starts, but because we've got broken truck. Yeah, mate. We're gonna head on straight ahead to meet up with it. Change of plans. We're now staying at the Bramwell Junction Hotel because the truck's getting towed back here. Can do.
Go the spoon dog! Go the spoon dog! Go the spoon dog!
Well, it was a bloody hard day. Right now, I didn't know what lay ahead on this journey. We were a long way from anywhere. I was dosed up on painkillers now, had a swollen foot on ice. Our support truck had broken down and even the diesel engineers in our crew couldn't get it going. All we could do was have a feed, a few beers, and hope the morning brought better news.
Just come up, yeah. Oh, just grab a plate and come and help yourselves, eh?